Hello, my name is Dan with Trigger Shark. In this video, it's going to be an instructional video for the installation of your Trigger Shark Gen 5 Glock trigger system. All right, so we're going to first by disassembling, but before we do that, we're going to do a safety check. Magazine's been removed, completely clear. And we're going to disassemble. Grabbing a punch. Remove the locking block, slide release, and the trigger system. All right, so we're going to remove the bar from the housing, and we're going to take a punch in the back of the housing, punching through to remove the connector, the OEM connector that came with it, which is probably a dot connector for most of the Gen 5s. All right, now in your system, what you're going to get is you're going to get three components. You're going to get a trigger bar, a connector, and a shoe. So we're going to remove that. Take the packaging off. All right, so we've got that. Now first we're going to do is install the components. So we're going to take our minus connector here, which is a minus connector polished and modified. Put that into the housing. As such, that's just going to go in. Make sure that's flush all the way to the bottom. And then we're going to take our trigger bar, install into the shoe. As such. Then we're going to install that into the housing. Make sure that your cruciform is underneath the clasp, the spring clasp here into the housing. And we're going to install that back into the Glock system, like such. Taking your slide release first, your locking block, housing pin, and this pin. And that is the install for your Trigger Shark Gen 5 Glock system.